The crypto industry is always quick to respond to all sorts of news, and the upcoming election in the US is no exception. However, in this case, experts speculate about the influence in the opposite direction, saying that the presidential race might turn into the Bitcoin election. In today's video, we will see what we might expect from the couple of months leading up to the voting day and how crypto can become a deciding factor in all this. My name is Anna, let's roll! Why are the US internal politics so influential for the cryptosphere? First of all, let's see why what's happening in the US affects crypto. The United States is a major player in global finance. The US regulatory decisions, legal actions, and political rhetoric often set the tone for how people from all over the world view many things, including cryptocurrencies. Given the size of the US economy alone, policies from Washington can directly impact market sentiment, investor confidence, and the regulatory environment for digital assets. For example, decisions by US agencies like the Securities and Exchange Commission, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and the Treasury Department often set precedents followed by other countries. Let's not forget that also many crypto users simply live in the US. In 2023, more than 15% of the crypto owners, 52 million people, were from there. So if all the users are affected or even have a potential to be affected by some policies, it has an influence on the market overall. The legal status of cryptocurrencies in the US is complex and fragmented, with different agencies taking their own approaches. The SEC has classified many cryptocurrencies as securities, meaning that they need strict control. On the other hand, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission considers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ether as commodities, so they fall under a different regulatory regime. The Internal Revenue Service taxes cryptocurrencies as property, while anti-money laundering laws want strict compliance from crypto exchanges. The lack of a comprehensive framework creates uncertainty. As a result, the situation can change very quickly and uncontrollably, which damages both investors and companies in the crypto space. Policy changes, news, and crypto. Investigations, lawsuits, and bills – these are all reasons for crypto prices to go up or down. For example, when the SEC sued crypto company Ripple in December 2020, XRP's price dropped dramatically, falling from around $0.60 to as low as $0.17 within days. Many major exchanges even suspended trading of the coin. And then, in July 2023, when the court delivered a partial victory to Ripple, the asset's price surged over 70% in a single day. Of course, in this environment, such a huge political event as presidential elections has a lot of gravity. A supportive administration could drive innovation, attract investment, and establish the US as a leader in blockchain technology. On the other hand, restrictive policies might stifle growth and push the industry to more welcoming jurisdictions abroad. Let's see what the situation is like right now. Candidates' stances on crypto. Because of the American bipartisan system, the winner of the upcoming election will be either a Democrat, current Vice President Kamala Harris, or a Republican, former President Donald Trump. There are third-party candidates, but the chances of one of them getting into the White House in this cycle are pretty much zero. As of September 2024, Kamala Harris' stance on crypto is unclear. There are some signs that she might adopt a friendlier approach than President Biden as her campaign listens to crypto executives and industry concerns. President Joe Biden and key Democrats like Gary Gensler have been cautious, putting regulation and consumer protection first. However, recent legislation such as the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act shows growing Democratic support for a balanced approach to digital assets. Also, some major Democratic donors in Silicon Valley have held crypto's lobbying. Ron Conway, a top contributor to Democratic causes whose firm has invested in crypto startups, has supported industry-friendly policy changes. However, there is no detailed crypto policy from Harris' campaign yet, even though November is quickly approaching. And so, the 92-page Democratic Party platform somehow doesn't mention crypto at all. Despite ongoing discussions and some support from influential figures like Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, who said he hopes to pass legislation on digital assets soon, it seems like crypto is not a priority issue for Harris. She's focused on topics like inflation and international conflicts. As for Donald Trump, he started his crypto journey several years ago from the wrong foot, calling it a disaster waiting to happen and saying that Bitcoin seemed like a scam. However, he later released several NFTs collections and now he embraces cryptocurrency, trying to win over the voters and wealthy industry leaders. For example, Trump recently became the first major party presidential candidate in history to accept crypto donations. He went further, saying Make America Great Again supporters will build a crypto army moving the campaign to victory. By the way, Kamala Harris does not accept direct crypto donations for her campaign, but the Future Forward USA Political Action Committee that supports her does. Given the history of Trump's views and his present legal issues, some experts have come to the conclusion that his newfound faith in digital assets could be more transactional than ideological. As for future policies, the Republican presidential nominee has announced his plans to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve if he is elected in November. A third-party candidate who we should mention here is Robert F. Kennedy Jr. He has positioned himself as a pro-crypto advocate, with one of his proposals being placing the entire US budget on the blockchain for transparency. How futuristic! He also suggested a tax-free policy on Bitcoin transactions to promote broader adoption. Two moments here though. First, Kennedy's personal investment in Bitcoin is suspicious. Many experts believe that there is a potential conflict of interest, so is the sentiment even sincere? And second, his campaign is now suspended, even though his name will still be on the ballots in key states because of a court's decision. Stand with Crypto, a non-profit that aims to unite global crypto advocates, grades politicians based on their statements and actions. It has given Trump an A rating, stated that he strongly supports crypto. The group hasn't rated Kamala Harris because she hasn't made any statements, while it does not hold her responsible for anti-crypto actions taken by the Biden administration. How the 2024 election might affect the crypto market? The 2024 elections will impact the crypto industry a lot, with two main scenarios: unified Republican control or a divided government with a Democratic president. A Republican sweep seems to be a more promising option for the crypto sector. Trump's words and actions signal a potential shift in favor of the industry. What's more, a Republican-controlled Congress would make passing of the major pro-crypto legislation more likely. A divided government with a Democratic president would likely continue the approach we see now, marked by skepticism and other challenges. While some Democrats are warming to crypto, significant progress would be difficult without White House support. The current state of the crypto market in connection to the election. The elections have influenced the crypto scene so much already that a brand new asset type came to be: PolitiFi coins. These are meme coins inspired by politicians that offer a curious mix of political satire with speculative assets. Much like other meme coins, PolitiFi ones are often created on Ethereum or Solana, and they lack real-world value, so the price is driven by community interest, meme, culture, news, and ever-changing social media trends. For example, there is a meme coin Joe Biden inspired in equal parts by the current president and the Sporterman meme. It fell by 62% within the first 2 hours after the announcement of his stepping down and shows no signs of recovery as for now. As you might have predicted, a token related to Vice President Harris has seen the opposite reaction to the news of Biden leaving the race. Though since the token's price has plummeted. Of course, the PolitiFi arena wouldn't be complete without the bunch of tokens related to Trump. Make America Great Again is the leading Trump-themed meme coin in terms of market capitalization. The huge spike in price in June followed Trump's declared support for crypto. These are the main tokens because we couldn't possibly talk about all of them here. During this campaign, some significant events led to hundreds of meme coins spring up within minutes. The main characteristics we can see from the price charts are the extreme volatility that depends on the news as well as comparatively low cost. These are the two features PolitiFi tokens share with other meme coins. Still, some of these assets have a very significant capitalization. For example, the market cap of Make America Great Again was around $129 million at the beginning of September, so we better treat this very unserious trend seriously. Crypto is a political issue in the US and it goes beyond voter choices. The crypto industry itself has become a player in American politics, investing heavily in campaigns and lobbying. Candidates like Kamala Harris, Donald Trump, and Robert F. Kennedy Jr. each have different views on crypto, appealing to different voter demographics. This creates a dynamic situation where the crypto issue could tip the scales in the most important states where votes are close to being 50-50. Whether or not crypto will become the deciding factor on this election, only time will tell. Back in 2000, during the presidential election, we saw how a small margin of votes, in that case a few hundred in Florida, altered the course of history. With around 52 million Americans holding crypto, the voting bloc is very large. If even a fraction of these voters are swayed by crypto policy stances, the industry's influence could well be what decides who the next president of the United States is. As always, we do not offer investment advice. This video was created for educational purposes only. Do your own research before investing in crypto. If you found this video helpful, please let us know by liking it and commenting and share it with your friends. Subscribe to learn more about crypto. See you soon!